world, welcome back to Chop Daily's tutorial. I'm Untico and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the Parti Cama, a move created by an Angolan artist. He's called Kuya, just in case you don't know.
Anywhere you there, yeah, there, oh, I go there, oh.
This move involves 4 parts of your body. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. I'm joking. It involves 4 parts of your body, so you need your legs, shoulders and head and your hips. You need 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get through. I'm going to start off by showing you the leg work. I'm going to start off with your right hand side, so you know how to do it. Your leg goes 1, ta, 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 and a 1, ta, 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 and a 1, ta, ta, ta. That's how your legs look like. Let me start off by saying your legs look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. It's very simple. All you've got to do is just twist it. Now we want to work with our arms. You want to start by going 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this move looks like this. 1. As your right leg moves, your right hand moves as well. So you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you move your right leg and your right arm, your head moves to the opposite side. So it goes 1, ta, ta, ta. 1, ta, 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 and a 1. Yeah, you can do it still if you want to, like that, but obviously I'm just extra. I like adding sauce, so you should do so. And to do this whole move, the whole point is you kind of bend in. You can't just do it like this, tickety, tickety, tickety. You've got to actually bend so the move comes out correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And listen.
Trabalha em silêncio e deixa o sucesso fazer barulho. Porque NERÚ americano legou. Sedução pro papá ver, tira o cachis boy, 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 cachis boy, boy, boy. What's that check? Monenga não se faz só porque ele mata caveto show. Anywhere you there, yeah, there, oh, I go there, oh.